When it comes to iconic sports cars, Ferrari has always led the charge with style, performance, and unmatched engineering. The 1977 Ferrari 512BB is one such masterpiece, renowned for its striking design and powerful performance. But what makes this particular 512BB stand out from the crowd is the custom widebody kit and unique modifications that have transformed it into a one-of-a-kind collector's item. And now, this rare Ferrari is set to be auctioned in the UK next month, with an estimated value of between £150,000 and £170,000. At first glance, the 1977 Ferrari 512BB in question may look like a standard model, but a closer inspection reveals a significant transformation. Originally delivered in early 1977, the car was later returned to Ferrari's Maranello Concessionaires, where it was fitted with a custom widebody kit that significantly changed its appearance. The modifications include new front and rear aluminum clamshells and flared front and rear wheel arches, giving the car a more aggressive stance. What truly sets this car apart from others is the work done to enhance its aerodynamics and visibility of its iconic flat 12 engine. The original sidelights were repositioned, and NACA ducts were enlarged to improve airflow. The addition of a transparent engine cover allows a full view of the car's 12 trumpets, providing an awe-inspiring sight that showcases the heart of this Ferrari. Moreover, this 512BB has been fitted with multi-point harnesses, ensuring a safer and more performance-focused driving experience. Now, as for the heart of the 512BB, the engine, it remains a 4.9-liter naturally aspirated flat 12. This powerhouse delivers 340 horsepower and 331 lb-ft of torque. While these figures might not seem earth-shattering by today's standards, it's important to remember that the 512BB was built in the late 1970s, and these numbers were impressive for a rear-wheel drive car with a 5-speed manual transmission. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds, a remarkable feat for the time. What further adds to the appeal of this particular Ferrari is its rarity. While the Ferrari 512BB was produced in relatively small numbers, only 101 right-hand drive versions were made specifically for the British market. This 1977 512BB, with fewer than 6,000 miles on the odometer, is a rare find, making it even more enticing to collectors. Its minimal mileage is a testament to how well-preserved and pristine this example is, making it a true gem for Ferrari enthusiasts. One of the most fascinating aspects of this car is how it draws inspiration from the 512BB Competizione models that raced at the 1978 24 Hours of Le Mans. The modifications, including the widebody kit and transparent engine cover, bring the racing spirit of the Le Mans models to the street, giving this 512BB an added layer of racing pedigree. While it may not have seen the racetrack itself, it certainly carries the spirit of Ferrari's motorsport history with it. This unique Ferrari 512BB is set to go under the hammer at H&H Classics in the UK, offering enthusiasts a chance to own a piece of Ferrari history with a rich legacy and a fascinating set of custom modifications. The auction estimates suggest that this Ferrari could fetch anywhere between £150,000 and £170,000, which is comparable to the price of standard 512BB models that have been selling for upwards of $250,000 in recent years. For anyone interested in adding a rare, modified Ferrari to their collection, this auction presents an unmissable opportunity to own a truly one-of-a-kind Ferrari 512BB. With fewer than 6,000 miles on the clock, a bespoke widebody kit, and a deep connection to Ferrari's motorsport heritage, this car is as unique as they come. Don't miss your chance to place a bid.